Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Virgos. For your daily energies, Virgos, I'll be picking few cards, guys. For your career situation and relationship, I'll be picking one card each, Virgos. So these are the cards for your general energy. So these cards may relate to your career situation or your relationship, guys. So this is the card for your relationship and this for your career situation, Virgos. So let's see what are the cards now. It's Moon, Two of Fire and Eight of Water. So with these cards in your situation, guys, you may be making some important decisions today, Virgos, but in your present situation you are unable to see the truth. Maybe there are some opportunities coming your way, but you are unable to make that right decision because your vision is clouded by some illusion. Maybe something is blocking you. It may be that wrong information you have, or your dreams or fantasies, whatever it is, something is blocking your vision to find that truth and make that important decision. But you can be assured that there are great opportunities, great changes waiting for you. It may be in your career or it may be in your relationship, guys. And you have a clear plan for your future. So whatever uh, you want to achieve for yourself, you are progressing towards that, and you want to know the truth in your situation. So you are thinking before making some important choices, and you want to know the truth behind some decisions or some circumstances, and you're willing to put in efforts for that. So you are examining and re-examining your situation today, and you are seeking that deeper meaning in anything. You want to go make that choice that is true to your heart, guys. So maybe for some of you, you may have your intuition guiding you also, guys, Virgos. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. Let's see what is the card for your relationship. It's Strength. So with this card, I see that maybe circumstances are quite uncertain in this love, but you have that strength and determination to make this work for you, to make it go in the right way. So with this person, you may not know the truth, whether they have that true love on you, whether they respect you just the way you respect them, and whether they are honest towards you just like the way you are honest. So you have that uncertainty in this love, but no matter what your situation is, you have that determination in your heart to make this connection work, guys. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It's Three of Air. So with this card, guys, in your career situation, maybe certain things may not work out as expected, guys. Maybe you may be seeing some failures or some uncertainties, but you need to understand that rejection is God's protection, guys. Maybe certain parts we fail because this failure is better than the outcome, a much huger and inevitable loss that we may face if we take up that path. So to avoid all that huge hurt and huge loss, certain things may not go as expected, but it is for your own good, guys, and you have to understand that it is the divine plan that is rejecting these opportunities coming in your situation, guys, Virgos. So that is the reading, Virgos, for today. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestion. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.